Welcome, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today, I don't know how to pronounce this name, but like it's like a style and it's basically like you hide in the shop and then booyah. Ew. I guess it's Anton Tracker. Yo, who's over there? Oh. I feel like I'm gonna die. Like the second I win. Or I'm gonna probably be first kill. Okay, definitely don't need a. Oh yeah, he's smart. He's so smart. No, I gotta beg. I'm just gonna do it. I feel like he's a starter. to play, guys. That's a good smell. Oh my god! I don't like him. India's my home! Habibi! Oh my god, yes, it's better if I hide over here. Okay, I think I'm good here. Just don't fart.
Attention shoppers. 5. Milk has been distributed throughout the store. Thank you.
It's better if I hide behind this box. Behind this box is better. Like here. Please, Jesus, have mercy. Or please, Tractor, have mercy. My bad. I don't think he can see me. Well, there's no music, so should I taunt him? Half of my brain saying yes, I should. Half of my brain saying no. Yeah, I'm not doing it because it's the way where I'm at.
Shoppers. 3. Milk has been distributed throughout the store. Thank you.
Oh yeah, guys, do you think I should be posting like the pipe cleaner things I make? I think I should. You know what? I'm gonna taunt him. How did I die? Oh, you saw the survivor. I thought it said I died. We're gonna do a couple more rounds. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. I swear that's all the thing they be over singing. I hope I'm Tractor. Please just choose me, please just choose me. Never mind. I was so close to freak you, Sigma. Yabba yabba doo. Okay, first of all, we're going back to... I think we're gonna go back here. Nah, bro, he's not gonna even come. Remember what happened last time? This guy, missed. Sure, I mean, I could go here. How did Timmy already die? Do you think you can see me from here? Unless if I'm here. I think I should change my avatar. Nope. Damn it, bro, I can't go back. This is my yabba yabba doo. Comment down below what I should do.
Attention shoppers. 7. Milk has been distributed throughout the store. Thank you.
Alright. Bart Simpson. Homer drops his donut. Dough. Homer spills his soda. Dough. Homer hits the doorway to dough. Homer ruins his whole day. Dough. But I was gonna say after I said Homer drops his donuts, I was gonna say dough, and then I was gonna say Homer spills his donuts. Oh my lord! I hope I didn't fart. No. Jesus, please don't make me fart.
Thank you.
He didn't see me! I actually think he did. No! Promise. Nope. Yeah, but no, that's not what I wanted.
Attention shoppers. 3. Milk has been distributed throughout the store. Thank you.
Oh my lord. Okay, I'm gonna do one last round, but if I'm not tracked, then I'm gonna just let the tracker guy hit me. Frick you, Sigma. You caused all the nonsense. Wow. Yo, bro has the same face as me. Damn it. No, he sucks. I know, I feel the same way too. What if I just go here? You know what? I'm gonna just let this dude hit me. Alright, so since I'm gonna just let this guy just hit me. My bad, hold up. Yeah, so I'm anyways, great gameplay. Who knows, I might post another video about this game. Oh, my head got this is bro, my car. Oh, bro, my car. Okay, this is my car, but I check the but anyways, it's a great game. I might play this another time, but anyways, thanks for watching this video.